AIPL Business Club offers a best-in-class workplace experience. This entire project, right from its location to the design and amenities, has been planned keeping in mind our discerning clients and will help occupants imbibe the work, play, live culture. The sustainability measures include GRIHA 4-star certification and is also pre-LEED certified. Protecting people's health and safety is of utmost importance at AIPL. Therefore, we have to be extra cautious to ensure a safer environment for all when they resume work. We are running our operations efficiently and effectively to serve you all in a rapid changing environment. In line with the action taken by centre and state governments, we have stepped up our standard operating protocols to mitigate the risk to our people at the workplace. At main entry, we are following a strict protocol where everyone entering the premises is undergoing thermal scanning and all cars entering in the building are getting sanitized. While entering the atrium, we have a signage on the glass door with instructions to avoid gathering of more than 5 people in common areas and to maintain 6 feet distance. There are also additional guidelines on safety measures. For ensuring everyone's safety at our workplace, it is mandatory for all employees and visitors to have Arogya Setu app on their smartphones. In lift lobbies, we can see clear instructions that maximum of 4 people in a lift are allowed at a time. There are safe zone signages on the floor asking people to stand on them to maintain distance while going to their respective office floors. The lifts are being treated by Germ Shield for protecting them against the virus. Please sanitize your hands if you have touched the lift buttons. We would like to encourage organizations and people to get a healthy and safer workplace, along with finding a better work-life balance and increased productivity. Thank you for being part of our safer workplace and making us stronger to stand firm in these tough COVID times.